everyone, welcome to Golden Box. Today we will be seeing about Chandrayaan 3. In this video, you will be learning about number 1, Chandrayaan 3. Number 2, the major challenges of the soft landing on the moon. And number 3, Lunar 25. First of all, we are going to see about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third and the most recent lunar mission sent by the Indian Space Research Exploration Mission under the Chandrayaan program of ISRO. It consists of a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, similar to Chandrayaan 2. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has shared new updates on its historic mission. Launched on 14th July 2023, Chandrayaan 3, the spacecraft inches closer to the moon gradually. Chandrayaan 3 will make it to the moon's south pole region on 6:04 p.m. IST 23rd August. The soft landing of the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft will take place at the moon's south polar region. Russia's Luna 25 spacecraft is also projected to soft land in the same region. Both are going to land with a distance of 1 kilometer. So far, no country has made a soft landing at the moon's south polar region. However, soft landings at the equatorial region of the moon have been done in the past by the US, China, and Russia. These are all the pictures of Chandrayaan 3's launch. Learning from Chandrayaan 2's mistake, the landing area of Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft has been increased to 4 km into 2.5 kilometers. The Chandrayaan 2's landing site was small, within a 500 meters into 500 meters area. This is a photo of the Chandrayaan 2. Now, let us see about the major challenges of the soft landing of the moon. At 100 km altitude, there is no atmosphere on the moon, so parachutes cannot descend slowly. Number 2. Between altitudes 30 km and 1 meter, Chandrayaan 2 failed. At this stage, the lander came within 2.1 km of the moon's surface, but crashed after that due to a software glitch that failed to control the speed during landing. Point number 3. At an altitude of 100 meters, Chandrayaan 3 lander Vikram might face unexpected and sudden terrain changes which can cause software glitches or an altitude sensor errors. Number 4. During the landing, lunar dust will blow up, risking the errors and premature thruster shutdowns. Even after the speed of the landing reduces, the threat of the lunar dust will remain. The dust can obscure the camera lens of the lander and trigger faulty readings. Now, let us see about Luna 25. Luna 25 marks Russia's return in lunar exploration after 47 years, aiming to reclaim its reputation in space exploration. Luna 25 is designed for a year-long mission, equipped with a heating mechanisms and non-solar power source. In contrast, Chandrayaan 3 is built for a single lunar day due to its lack of heating during lunar nights. Why is the Luna 25 reaching the moon earlier than Chandrayaan 3? Number 1. Direct trajectory advantage. Despite being launched almost a month later than Chandrayaan 3, Luna 25 is set to reach the moon earlier due to its more direct trajectory, which means it used more fuel and in turn leads to more cost. Number 2. Payload and fuel storage. Luna 25's lift-off mass of 1750 kg is significantly lighter than Chandrayaan 3's 3900 kg, facilitating a quicker journey. Number 3. Circuitous route for Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 took a longer route to compensate for its lower fuel reserve and its lower cost, involving maneuvers to gain velocity and slingshotting towards the moon. We will see how this happens in the next diagram. This picture represents how the Chandrayaan 3 and the Luna 25 travel from the Earth to the moon. So, if this is the rocket Chandrayaan 3, it will be moving anti-clockwise. So this is its first circle, the second circle, the third circle, and the fourth circle, and the fifth circle. As you notice, by each circle, the distance between them increases and it goes towards the outer space. Now, if it continues and slingshots towards the moon, it's going to rotate in clockwise direction. So, this is its first circle, the second circle, third circle, fourth circle and the fifth circle, and then it will land on the south polar region of the moon. Here, the Luna 25, it will connect to its circle and put one full round around the Earth and then slingshot towards the moon and complete another circle and land on the moon, which was expected on 21st to 22nd August. Luna 25's unfortunate incident. Russia's first lunar mission in decades has ended up in failure, with the Luna 25 spacecraft crashing into the moon's surface. The incident, a blow to the Russia space ambitions, happened after the communication with the robotic spacecraft was interrupted. Russia's space agency Roscosmos said that it lost touch with Luna 25 on Saturday around 2:57 p.m. Moscow time. The measures taken on August 19 and 20 to save and search the device and get into contact with it did not yield any results, the space agency reported. According to a preliminary analysis, Luna 25 switched off to a design orbit before the collision, Roscosmos said. It was not immediately clear what caused the crash. This image is an AI-generated image representing how Luna 25 would have crashed onto the moon. But the race is still on. Even though Luna 25 or no one is there to compete with India's Chandrayaan 3, it is still doubtful that will Chandrayaan 3 safely land on the moon and give a pride and success to India. Let us wait till 23rd August 2023, 6:04 p.m. to find out the result. Okay, let us now see about our favorite channel, Golden Box. In this channel, you can find informative content like this amazing video on Chandrayaan 3. The handle for our channel is at gbox_. Thank you. I hope you learned something informative from this video today.